Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. May Allah protect you from evil eyes. Warmly welcome to my style heaven. Dear viewers, today we are diving into the world of pixie hairstyles for long hair, where elegance meets the avant-garde. If you are ready to transform your long looks into a chic pixie cut, you are in the right place. So dear viewers, before we jump into the stunning ideas, let's address the burning questions. Can long hair pull off a pixie cut? Absolutely. Let's explore the top trending pixie hairstyle ideas for long hair that will leave you inspired and ready for a change. So dear viewers, first up, the playful pixie. This style is all about adding the movement and the volume, like long hair pixie transformation and playful pixie for a bold change. So dear viewers, which pixie styles are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more style inspiration. And if you like my videos, please share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new at my channel, please first of all subscribe my channel and watch my video till end, because today's video is full of very stylish and very amazing ideas. So dear viewers, as we wrap up our pixie journey, remember the key is to embrace the change and express your unique styles by my videos, my channels.